Now, why are they harmful? Viruses invade cells, but they just don't invade. Remember, if they have the right key, then the cell actually invites it in. Virus force cells to make copies of the virus. So once they go in, they reproduce, but they themselves can't reproduce. They take the host cell and have the host cell make all of them. It's like some of the birds. They go lay the eggs in some other bird's nest, and they hatch it for them, they take care of them. It's something like that. Eventually, so many copies are made, the cell explodes, releasing all the new viruses. And they do it so fast that the body's defense doesn't have enough time to recognize it. What's also more important is, as soon as you get the virus in, why can't the body just recognize it? The cell around it, the capsid around it, is a membrane which is similar to human membrane or animal membrane. So the body doesn't recognize as an alien. It's like in disguise. So it just assumes it's just a regular thing. Now this little bugger here, I don't know how many, that's Ebola. Ebola, that is like a thread, unlike most other viruses. And an Ebola person who's got end-stage Ebola, if you take 1 cc of blood, there's about 1 billion Ebola in it. Okay, I don't know if you saw that on TV. The doctor was cured after months, and one morning he woke up, looked at the mirror, and one of his eyes, instead of being blue, it was green. And his eyes turned color. So they went and checked it, and the eyeball was full of Ebola. And it's after months after he was cured. I'm making the point in that most of the viruses, once they get into the body, they can go latent, they can become part of some other cell and just rest and be dormant and come out some of the time. That's why, for example, herpes virus. Once you get herpes, you have it for the rest of the life. It never goes away. But it can be dormant for the rest of your life too. Remember, it goes into the cell, and once it goes into the cell and locks the door, it can just sleep there. Or it can become part of the cell itself. So it becomes part of you. Okay. Then the virus infect plants. Tobacco, that's a big thing because tobacco is a big money. Then virus infect animals. Okay. Here are some of the viral infections. For example, pharyngitis, adenovirus, Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus. They all cause ENT problems, ear, nose, throat. Then cardiovascular, Kawasaki virus, hepatitis, A, B, C, D, and E affect the liver. Then skin infection, chicken pox, human herpes 6, they said 6 and 7, which is very predominant. Okay, these are warts, papillomavirus, rubella, measles. So you can see mumps, that's the parathyroid gland. You see all the different types of pneumonias, myelitis, gastroenteritis, all these viruses can cause a gut problem. That's what you have with 24-hour flu, stomach flu. You get them and your body fights it off and you're done.